To fix your declined credit card application and get accepted, follow these steps. First, understand why your application was declined, as this information is usually provided by the credit card issuer. Common reasons include poor credit history, high debt-to-income ratio, and incomplete or inaccurate application information. Next, review your credit report to identify any errors or negative marks that may have contributed to the decline. You can request a free credit report from the 3 major credit bureaus: Equifax, Experian, and TransUnion. Check for any errors, such as incorrect addresses, accounts, or payment histories, and dispute them if necessary. Then, work on improving your credit score by paying bills on time, reducing debt, and avoiding new credit inquiries. A good credit score can significantly improve your chances of getting accepted for a credit card. Consider becoming an authorized user on someone else's credit account, as this can help you build credit if you have a limited credit history. When reapplying for a credit card, make sure to provide accurate and complete information, including your income, employment history, and address. Choose a credit card that suits your credit profile, as some cards are designed for people with poor or limited credit history. Consider a secured credit card, which requires a security deposit and can help you build credit over time. Finally, apply for a credit card that you are likely to get approved for, and avoid applying for multiple credit cards in a short period, as this can negatively affect your credit score. By following these steps and maintaining good credit habits, you can increase your chances of getting your credit card application accepted and start building a positive credit history.